Alright, so we're doing a box of Cynosa Chromas. It's just one giant keyboard. And that's about it. Alright, this is the sound of it. And it's a full keyboard. It has 10, and it has one USB wire, and it's green. And it's pretty accurate with typing, and it has different modes for Starlight. This is breathing, fire, looks like embers, reactive, ripple. I think you just press it, it goes ripples. This is pretty cool. Ripple. Oh, went back to fire. Oops. So this is ripple. So type stuff. Just one color though. So that's that. And what else we got? We got spectrum cycle. Cycles through the color spectrum, and then there's Starlight, which I was using before. That one. It's like a crazy light show. There's static, the same color, and then there's a wave, which is like rainbow. So basically, when you're buying this keyboard, this is a good work keyboard. It's very not loud. I like this space bar in this one, and I like the feel of it. The things I don't like about it, it's not as good as a orange switch or a green switch. It doesn't have that little bounce or clacky clack. It's spill proof, and things I like about it is like it's really cool with LEDs. It's really good for work, but for gaming, I don't like it that much. For gaming, I prefer orange or green switch. So yeah, consider getting one if you're on a budget for like $50, and I recommend getting probably the warranty because these break in 4 years, and not with Razer because Razer might or might not give you the warranty back, and they're pretty mean about it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.